Huawei is prepared to launch the next generation Mate series smartphones, which includes Mate 20, Mate 20 Pro, and Mate 20 Lite. Now, the Huawei Mate 20 Lite is available for purchase in Poland, which is the most affordable variant of the three. The smartphone comes with a bigger 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display, with 2340 by 1080 pixel screen resolution, and 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, offering a pixel density of 409 ppi. This time, the company has opted to offer a notched display, resulting in a higher screen-to-body ratio of 81%, compared to the 76.5% in its predecessor. Under the hood, the device is powered by the company's own Kirin 710 chipset, which was recently launched. It is Huawei's first 12nm chipset, which should offer a significant improvement in power consumption and performance compared to the 16nm Kirin 659. The chipset consists of 4 Cortex-A73 cores, clocked at 2.2 GHz, and 4 Cortex-A53 cores, clocked at 1.7 GHz. The GPU is an ARM Mali G5, which is said to be 1.3 times better than that of the Kirin 659, and 1x more energy efficient. The processor is coupled with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, just like the Mate 10 Lite. Previous reports suggested the 6GB RAM variant as well, which could be available in other regions. We're also expecting a microSD card slot for storage expansion up to 256GB. The Mate 20 Lite comes with upgraded camera configuration. On the backside, the phone features a dual camera sensor with 20-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel secondary sensor placed vertically in the top center position. There's a dual camera setup on the front side too, having a 24-megapixel primary snapper and a 2-megapixel secondary shooter. It also supports face unlock feature. The phone also comes with a fingerprint sensor, placed just below the camera module on the backside. Coming to the connectivity, the dual SIM phone now comes with NFC support. The company has also replaced the micro USB port with the USB Type-C port. Further, it now comes with support for dual-band Wi-Fi. In terms of software, the phone is running on Android 8.1 Oreo operating system out of the box, with the company's own EMUI 8.2. It also comes with the GPU Turbo, which enhances the phone's performance. The phone is fueled by a 3750 mAh battery and support fast charging technology. The Huawei Mate 20 Lite will be available in 3 color options: black, gold, and blue. It is now available for purchase in Poland for a starting price of $436. So guys, what do you think about this phone? Share your opinion down below. And thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.